You hop on a motorcycle, you can go anywhere you want. It's very free, but to ride a custom motorcycle that only you have, anywhere you go, everybody knows, oh, that is you. You're riding your bike and nobody else have it. To me, that's way more a luxury.
For some, motorcycle is the synonym for freedom. The mechanical allure of motorcycles has drawn enthusiasts to customize their rides to their likings.
I think one of a kind is something that human always strives for. I started riding motorcycles since I was 21. With motorcycle, it's just a frame and engine and wheels. With the same frame and same engine, you can change it to many different things. It's a free canvas.
In the realm of custom motorcycles, where freedom converges with design, Winston Yeh has carved out a name for himself. His unwavering commitment to precision, innovative spirit, and ability to remix the old and the new have made him a prominent figure in this field. Winston astounded the world by winning first prize in the Harley-Davidson category at the 2013 AMD World Championship of Custom Bike Building.
I think design is my strength because I got a master's degree in industrial design, so I always have some vision in my head. Every time I look at something, I would be like, oh, that is cool, but if it's me, how would I do it?
His unique design philosophy is characterized by a minimalist use of black color components, which has led to collaborations between his brand, Rough Crafts, and industry titans.
Of course, I've been building different brand bike. I built BMW, Yamaha, Ducati, MV Agusta, Royal Enfield, but for some reason, I always come back. I always have something new I want to do with Harley-Davidson. It's never the best ridden bikes. It's never the best performance bike, but it always have the better presence. This time we're building a new Milwaukee 8 Softail Fat Boy. The customer give me a free direction. You can do whatever you want. And I was like, wow, I can build a chopper now.
Disassembling a Fat Boy is no easy feat. Each meticulously assembled part represents countless sophisticated design and engineering efforts. Joe is a very experienced and specialized mechanic at Harley-Davidson who has joined Winston's projects through the years. Joe adeptly disassembles each component in a precise order, exemplifying the mastery and finesse captured by the ancient Chinese saying, "Pao Ding Xian You," the butcher who knows how to dissect an ox, meaning that who possesses exceptional skills and knowledge in their craft are capable of deconstructing complex tasks or problems with ease and mastery. In collaboration with seasoned Taiwanese silversmiths, Winston's bikes have custom silver rings on push rods, making each bike the only one of its kind. The right push rod enhances engine performance as well as defines a bike's character. requires extensive knowledge in motorcycle engineering to create aesthetically pleasing custom bikes without sacrificing functionality. The dynamic interplay between the exhaust system and other components plays a vital role in this regard. An engine's power output and gas expulsion efficiency are determined by the exhaust diameter, length, and configuration. In terms of aesthetics, the exhaust could set the tone for a bike's overall appearance. Fuel tank design is an art form in its own right. Fuel capacity, the rider's comfort, weight distribution, personal style. The designer must take all these factors into consideration. Bikes for long cruises require larger tanks, while bikes for short trips in urban areas call for smaller and sleeker tanks.
So choppers are known for heavy, big, chunky, not easy to ride. So this time I'm gonna build a performance chopper. So all the high-end performance part, like all-in suspension, carbon fiber wheels, Behringer brakes, but it's gonna have a silhouette of the chopper. It's gonna have a wide tire, a skinnier front tire to give it a quintessential chopper style. Yeah, I think it's gonna be really badass. You know, when you do custom parts, we always try to make it fit, theoretically. But most of the time that no matter how much calculate you do, like there's always chances that it won't fit and then it won't work. You can always disassemble anything, but the problem is you have to put it back. That's a hard part.
Carbon fiber wheels, wrapped in performance tires, are seamlessly integrated into the frame of the Fat Boy, further elevating its mechanical allure and performance.
It's never the interesting part during the build. It's always like the finishing is where it gets interesting, you know. Because for me, it's always like you started with the image in your head and you keep thinking about it for months or years before the right customer came in, like which part you want to use, which fork you want to use, which wheels you want to use. You already gone through your head for so many times, and then the rest of it just make it happen.
As it roars to life, the vibrations coursing through its frame, and the thunderous exhaust note, the Fat Boy is reborn.
I realized that motorcycle is something I have the most passion about and And also I feel like within the custom bike world, I can better express what I want to do and what I want to express to the world, like how my vision is.
From customizing his own bike to creating a unique aesthetic admired worldwide, Winston not only builds motorcycles, but also fosters a vibrant community centered around motorcycle culture.
When you build something cool, you want to show it. You want people to understand it. You want people to appreciate your work. The custom bike world, especially in Taiwan, always feel like regular people don't understand what we do, or they don't care what we do, or they hate what we do. But no, they love it. They just don't have the chance to understand it. It's very difficult for regular people to actually understand what we do, but like I always said, just to appreciate what you do, that's enough. That's way more than enough to live to fight another day.